Hello, Virgo. Oh, gumagalaw. Sorry. Hello, Virgo. Salamat sa pagbisita o salamat sa pagbabalik. Ito po ang iyong Sun, Moon, Rising, Sign, and Venus para sa sign ng Virgo. Po ay para sa Abril. Kunin nyo lang po yung nakarelate kayo. Tapon nyo hindi. Kung hindi nakarelate, okay lang yan. Pwedeng next month ulit. Baka dun makarelate tayo. Kung wala, de check other tarot readers. Naniniwala naman ako na may dahilan kung ba't kayo napadpad dito. Pwedeng sa deck na ito, sa deck na yan, sa deck na yan. So, makikita nyo kung nasa YouTube kayo, makikita nyo ano? Sa baba, lower left side, yung links to the decks. Kasi ang gaganda ng decks ko. Anyway, itong oracle deck na to, babasahin ko mamaya yung full description. Maganda itong oracle deck na to, may magic pa siya. Hindi ko babasahin yung magic, pero yung guidance lang para kayo din may sariling interpretation. Anyway, minsan sa isang card lang meron ng message agad na applicable siya in any life situation. Okay, dalawa ang lumabas kay Virgo. Unhappiness in your love situation. Mukhang love ito. Hindi mabigat ang pakiramdam ng ating kapusuan. Pwedeng iba sa inyo kagagaling lang sa isang long-term partnership tas nag-break kayo. Pwede din naman na parang may resentment lang na nabubuo sa inyong partnership. Pwede kasi na magkaiba talaga kayo. Tingnan mo magkaiba sila o merong ano dito, tawag dyan? Hindi dugong yan. Yung sa Cebu, yung whale. Anyway, tapos siya, I don't know, mermaid? Hindi siya mermaid Sea kelp. I think. So there's a difference. Pwedeng you have differences na in your relationship between you and your partner na hindi nyo na manage. Nakatagal kayo pero ngayon nagsisink in na parang this is not the relationship na parang aligned pa sa gusto ko. Pwedeng na-outgrow nyo na isa't isa. So that is Ten of Cups. Pero ang maganda nun, Virgo, kasi you are at this point in your life na you are starting to dream na. Tingnan mo, nagbabasa siya ng book. Pwedeng you are learning, you are trying to learn new things, and there's a new opportunity na nabubuhay, pwedeng epiphany, may naibubuhay sa isip mo na parang, oh, this is a good idea. I think I should pursue it. So, when one door closes, something new is starting to blossom. That's a good sign na. Reading na yun na reading mo, Virgo. De joke lang. So, pwedeng you are still in this phase of parang thinking about my relationship that hasn't worked or kaya resentment building up. Pero at the same time, you have this spark within you na saktong-saktong spark within you kasi it's the Aries season. So there's a spark, there's that parang epiphany na parang, this is a good thing to explore. And mukhang you will take action in exploring that this month. Merong shadow ng mic ko. Anyway, let's get what the card is telling you. Four of Pentacles. Pwedeng apathy o pwede din naman na uh, there's stability, somehow stability when it comes to health, wealth, and all the resources that you have. Pero parang may kulang. Yan yung napipick up ko dyan. Four of Pentacles, stability, financial stability, o kaya naman ay parang steady lang. Steady lang ang lahat, pero kung ang tanong ay masaya ka ba, you might answer no. Pwedeng stable ang kita, stable ang trabaho, pero ewan ko, baka yung iba sa inyo, naghahanap ng challenge, o kaya parang may realization na nalugmok na for the longest time, and you are starting to think, ano pa ba ang pwede kong gawin? Is it too late? Siguro iba sa inyo napapaisip, is it too late? Um, Pwede din naman na mukhang career, iba sa inyo, kung halimbawa na nagsarado yung window when it comes to love situation, yung iba sa inyo focus on career. Biglang nagbo-boom yung career. Gusto niyo sana mag-focus sa love situation, pero God has other plans and nagbo-boom bigla yung career nyo o nagbo-boom yung parang source of income nyo. Emperor, I don't know what this energy is. at the moment, I feel na deserving siya na makakuha pa ng clarification. Pero, textbook definition yan, there's a authority control. So, pwedeng leading with intention, leading with authority, pwedeng you're very stable in your job right now, pwedeng na-promote ka to a VP, pwede din naman na you are taking control of your life. Siguro for the longest time stuck up ka, pero this April na Aries season, parang may mabubuhay na may mabubuhay na pananaw o may ibang perspektibo kang makikita, may mabubuhay na parang idea. May idea na mabubuo kay Virgo ngayon. Lumabas pa yung tower. So, pwedeng yung isang bagay na matagal mo nang tinetreasure, it will fall apart o hindi na siya, mawawala na siya sa buhay mo. Pero tingnan mo, may phoenix doon, oh. You will be resurrected into something better. Hindi mo pa yan, I don't feel, I think hindi magme-make sense sa'yo yun ngayon. Pwede mong sabihin hindi magre-resonate. Kasi pwede mag-make sense yun in the future. Months ahead, na parang karapat-dapat na, bigyan pa ng time, o bigyan pa ng panahon, antayin mo na mag-make sense yun sa'yo, kasi hindi pa sa ngayon. Sa ngayon, parang, meron parang epiphany na parang I'm in this situation na parang I've sacrificed a lot, parang stable lang lahat, pero parang hindi naman ako masaya sa ibang mga bagay. Pwedeng yung iba sa inyo naloko, o kaya naman ay parang nabudol. Nabudol or may nag-resurface na truth na ngayon nyo lang nalaman. Ang nakikita ko dito so far kay Virgo, katulad ng sinabi ko nga kanina, may nagsaradong pinto pero may magbubukas na bago. Yung magbubukas na bago na yun, pwedeng hindi pa nangyayari, mangyayari pa lang this April, o pwedeng further 2026 pa. Sa ngayon, mukhang ano pa lang, magre-resurface pa lang yung truth, mabubuo yung resentment, o kaya naman, may tatanggalin si universe sa buhay mo, or si God sa universe, si God, kung naniniwala kayo kay God, may tatanggalin siya sa life nyo na hindi na deserving pa magstay dyan. And then, you will be resurrected into something new. Para mag-iibang iba. So, kung tinatanong mo yung sarili mo ngayon, is it too late? It's never too late. Yan lang ang sa'yo ni universe. Yun lang ang message, general message sa'yo ngayon. Kasi, I feel that, tingnan mo, ang clarification ng Four of Pentacles, yung financial stability, is this Chariot. Feeling ko parang may mabubuhay na idea sa utak nyo right now. Pwedeng as a result of the breakup, o pwedeng as a result of a resentment-filled relationship, ay parang you will drive yung chariot towards somewhere na you think will bring you success. Pwede din naman na, yun nga, mag-invest. Parang meron kang itatry na bago. And this is luxury and opulence eh. Pwedeng magta-travel yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng magiging painter, pwede din naman na parang mag-explore siya ng gardening, o pwede din naman na relax muna si Virgo um, sa love life, at magpo-focus muna siya sa career. You will take control of your life. This is leadership, authority. And I feel that kung meron, I don't see anything na may nagkocontrol sa buhay mo. Pwede din yung iba sa inyo, may controlling person around your life. Pero I feel that kung ano man yung control na napipick up ko na energy dito, it's from you. Control, control in a sense na positive kasi you would lead your life in a direction, towards a direction na yung mga non-negotiables mo, i-assert mo na. You will take control of your life na parang sawang-sawa na ako kakasakripisyo, o sawang-sawa na akong kakagawa ng ganto ganyan. It's about time na ako naman, and then, yun, magbabawas or may mababawas sa buhay ni Virgo. Pwede din naman na iba sa inyo, overwork, ang daming tinatrabaho, at doon nanggagaling yung resentment sa overwork na yan. Kaya mag-venture kayo into something new. I don't know, mag-business na lang, ganyan siguro. Kasi sobrang dami ng, wala nang work-life balance and kailangan ng magbawas. Kailangan ng i-drive yung chariot into a path na tingin mong deserve mo. Knight of Cups. Ah, plot twist. Yung iba sa inyo pwedeng may message of love from a person na hindi nyo akalain may gusto pala sa inyo. Kasi tao ito. Pwedeng yung boss mo, yan. Pwedeng tao nga yan. O pwede din naman na ikaw yung mag-take ng action. Di ba sabi ko kanina ito, leading your life. Parang taking control of your life. Pwede nyo iba sa inyo, ah, hindi na talaga, hindi naman na talaga masaya doon sa sitwasyon niya. Pero, kayo pa yung binrake. Alam mo yun, tinry mo yung best mo para i-work out yung relationship na hindi ka naman talaga masaya. Pinilit mo siyang mag-work. Pinilit mo siyang mag-work, pero ang ending, ikaw yung iniwan. So ngayon, pwedeng yung matagal mo nang tinatago-tagong feelings towards another person na outside of this relationship ha, yung feeling mo soulmate mo, ganyan, siya yung sisendan mo ng message. Ang plot twist pa doon ay paano kung siya naman yung biglang in a relationship. Ngayon na parang ready ka na. Yung mga ganyan. Pero feeling ko this April, kahit pa meron kang parang may isip na gagawin na bago, whether it's career o parang moving towards somebody new, I feel that parang magpapahinga ka muna. Alam mo, nabuo na, no? Solid na yung plano mo, no? To take action. Tingin ko magpapahinga ka muna. Magpapahinga ka muna. Yung tatanggalin mo muna yung overthinking sa utak mo. Knight of Swords, oh, mukhang Libra yung nanloko sa iyo. Libra, Aquarius, or Gemini. Pero of course, hindi naman siya applicable sa lahat. Pwedeng yung iba sa inyo, Libra, yung makakalayo na kayo sa Libra, na nanloko sa inyo. O pwede din naman na kinukulit pa rin kayo ng tao na ito. Very analytical, kung hindi gaslight, nag-gaslight sa'yo. Parang hindi, wala yun, gaganunin ka. Mangungulit pa rin siya sa'yo. In feeling ko hindi na tama na eh, sabi ni Virgo. Tama na. Tama na and ready ka na to kumbaga instrumental ka dun sa tower na ito. Kasi ang tower is parang sampal na universe, wake up call. Magiging instrumental ka dyan kasi may realization na of your worth. The realization na ito pala ang gusto ko in life, ito ang goals ko, kailangan ko na magbawas, and there is this person na I'm looking forward na ma-meet uli, or looking forward na makausap muli. And whatever hurdle, major hurdle na pagdadaanan ni Virgo, breakup, ganyan, walang trabaho, ganyan, parang new path may new path ako nakikita. And kung ano man yung bagong tatahakin ni Virgo, I feel like ikaw mismo ang may willpower para mag-take control ng life mo. May willpower na parang tama na. Ayoko na. Parang gano'n. Tigil na natin to. Wonder, nice. Ganda oh. Wishes are coming true. You get what you put in. Acceptance is key. Mukhang tatanggapin naman ni Virgo eh. Banish limiting beliefs. Yes. Wonder. Babasahin ko yung ano ni yung guidebook. Wait. Ang ganda. You are a uniquely extraordinary being, a one of a kind. It is time to fully embrace the magic of all that you are. Among the billions of people who live on this planet, there is only one you, and you play an irreplaceable role in the world. Consider the profound odds that brought you here. Know that your one of a kind energy radiates, and that this unique energy holds the power to inspire, heal, and love those around you. Know who you are and celebrate it, Virgo. Beware of others who tell you otherwise. Embrace your quirks and individuality and know that your authenticity plays a powerful contribution to the world. It is time to truly honor yourself and offer yourself unlimited love and compassion. This card might be showing up because your inner critic's voice has been loud, or maybe you've been comparing yourself to others as a fuel for negative self talk. If so, remember that being you is a gift and living life your way is a magical superpower. This is a time for radical self acceptance. This is not a time to conform. This is not time to conform. Remember to follow the advice of Dr. Seuss and be the US version of yourself possible. Make this wise statement your mantra and free yourself from the heavy energy of comparison. There are people out there who are grateful you exist, including some you have yet to meet. So go ahead and fall in love with the wonder of being you. Kung yung iba sa inyo gusto parang yung negative self-talk ang pumipigil sa inyo para umpisahan ito, ang advice sa inyo ni universe ay parang do away. Parang yun ang kailangan yung i-let go, yung negative self-talk. And you might want to parang honor yung US form of you, yung most authentic self. And for that, you would bring success or parang mas makakadating ka doon sa destination mo ng mas mabilis. So, I know it's a struggle for Virgo sometimes, but yeah, that's the only way. Pero feeling ko this April din nga, may idea pa lang na magsuspark tapos magpapahinga muna si Virgo from the whatever situation na nasira na or kailangan nang alisin sa buhay niya. Anyway, iwan ko na yun doon, Virgo, and salamat sa pagbisita. Sana makita kita ulit next month. Ako po si A, and see you soon. Bye-bye!